This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 22A is a Class C RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, oven, water heater, smoke detector, spare tire kit, LP detector, awning, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 22A is built on a FORD TRANSIT AWD chassis and is powered by a FORD engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.